Hey there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise of uncover hidden gems in the stock market. Today, we are diving into three dynamic companies with recent filings that signal potential growth. From financial services to durable goods and power infrastructure, these companies are not only performing but also setting themselves up for significant future gains. So, without further ado, let's dive in. And as always, please note this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So first up we have Dynamic Cables trading at 650 rupees with a market cap of 1559 crore. It is a key player in the power infrastructure cable sector, specializing in everything from LT, HT and EHV cables to solar and railway signaling cables. Dynamic Cable supplies to government discoms, EPC contractors and export clients. The company's order book stands strong at 595 crores, providing a solid foundation for sustainable growth. The company is optimistic about the shift from overhead to undergoing cabling, which could further boost the sales. Recently, the company posted stellar financial results for Q2 FY25, recording a 53% growth in operating revenue and 78% growth in operating profit. The company's PAT increased by 172% year on year. Additionally, the revenue growth for HY1 FY25 was 32% compared to HY1 FY24, with exports contributing to 7.4% of total revenue, expected to improve in HY2. Financially, Dynamic Cable Ltd has demonstrated stable performance, with revenue growing to 14.8% in yearly results of FY24. EBITDA margins up by 11.1% and a significant improvement in net profit margin at 4.9%. With the management confidence about increasing the demand, this has become promising watch. Next up we have Choice International Ltd, which is a diversified financial services provider based in Mumbai, currently trading at 488 rupees with a market cap of 9,452 crores. The company offers wide range of services including broking, investment banking, business advisory and regulatory compliance. The financial year 2024 to 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer for Choice International. Recently, Choice Finserv Private Limited, the NBFC arm of Choice International Limited, has announced the acquisition of the retail lending business of Paisa Buddy Finance Private Limited and Shoreworth Financial Services Private Limited. Additionally, the company reported strong financial performance in Q2 FY25, where revenue grew by 29% to rupees 200 crore, EBITDA increased by 51% to around 78 crores, and PAT rose by 56% to 46 crores. Financially, the company has expanded its revenue base by 92% over FY25 and is seeing healthy margins with a 31% EBITDA in Q1 FY25, and the company is further planning a rights issue worth 450 crore. Our final pick today is EPACK Durable Ltd, currently trading at 436 rupees with a market cap of 4,317 crores. As the second largest original design manufacturer of room air conditioners in India, EPACK plays a significant role in the manufacturing of air conditioners, small domestic appliances and components. For FY25, the company is targeting an impressive 45 to 50% revenue growth, driven by strong demand in the air conditioner market and an expanding product line. Recently, the company has entered a manufacturing alliance with Hisense India to produce air conditioners and home appliances in India, with the setup of a new facility having capacity of 1 million units by FY27 to 28. Financially, the company recorded 1,420 crore revenue in FY24, with EBITDA margins remaining stable at 8%. With a strong capacity utilization, EPACK Durable Ltd is well positioned to capture growth in the new markets. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at some of our previous Noisemaker stock picks. First is Sky Gold Limited. Since our coverage at 3,079 rupees, the stock has been a solid upward move of 16.9%. Second is Sangvi Movers Limited, covered at 413 and it's now at 411, a decrease of 0.4. Third, we have Vishnu Prakash R. Pungia Limited, covered at 280.1 rupees, now at 302.2, giving a 7.9% increase. Next, we have Census Tech, covered at 936, is now trading at 1,147, giving an excellent 22.5% return. Lastly, Average Logistics Limited, covered at 480, is now at 490 with a 2.1% increase. This is a wrap for today's Noisemaker edition. Remember that the market is full of opportunities, but thorough research and careful analysis are key to making informed decisions. Stay tuned for more insights in small cap and SME stocks. If you missed out any of the details, you can refer to the Noisemaker PDF linked in the description down below. Thank you for joining us, and as always, stay tuned for more market insights. Thank you.